Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be covering the popliteal fossa, but we're also going to be covering the muscles that we see looking at the leg from the posterior side as well. So hopefully you can recognize that this is the right leg that we're going to be looking at. So let's just go through the top portion and we'll work our way down. So we know this right here is the IT band and it connects into the TFL. Number 9 is showing your sciatic nerve, which means that this is going to be our piriformis muscle, right? So this must be superior gemellus. And we can see right here that this muscle is going around that obturator foramen. Must mean that that is our uh, obturator externus muscle. And then there's inferior gemellus. And then right there is uh, quadratus lumborum. Not quadratus lumborum. That is going to be our quadratus femoris. Sorry. So now we're getting into the hamstring muscles. You have 3 of them. So number 1, that is going to be semimembranosus. If you go and look at the complete anatomy video, you'll see like the tendon on this is just so long before you actually get to the belly of the muscle and it comes down. Whereas semi tendinosus, you'll have a lot of that muscle belly up on the top, and then the tendon is so long on the bottom side. So you got membranosus, super long before you hit the belly. Tendinosus, you'll see the belly of the muscle, then just straight tendon coming down into the knee. Number 6 that we see right here, this is going to be your biceps femoris muscle. It's got 2 heads to it. You've got this like longer head and then the short head right there. Now we get into the popliteal fossa. So this is right behind your knee. You can kind of feel it. If somebody were to like grab you right there, it doesn't feel very good, in my opinion. Um, but it's like this opening of where you can get into your artery, your vein, your nerve. Okay. So 7, that is going to be your popliteal artery. 8 is going to match the name, popliteal vein. And right here, number 10, that's actually going to be your tibial nerve. Has a branch that wraps around right here, and that is going to be your common fibular nerve. If you remember, we have a vein off this medial side right here that comes down like this. This is going to be your greater saphenous vein. It means you have a lesser saphenous, and that's right here. It's in between the 2 heads of the gastrocs, or your calf muscles. So part of your calf muscles, you have number 3 being the lateral head, and 5 being the medial head of the gastrocnemius. That's what it's called. Directly underneath this, you see number 4 in orange. That's going to be your soleus muscle. They combine into a single tendon right here, and it comes down into your calcaneus. That tendon is the Achilles tendon. You'll also have another muscle up here, connects kind of above the popliteal crease, and that's called your plantaris. That will also come down and shares that same tendon coming down into the calcaneus. So I think that's it for this video. We covered all the numbers. If the video helped, please like it, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, I just want to give credit where credit is due. These are the books and the resources I used for the videos. So first we have Essentials of Human Anatomy by Dr. Kurt Walker. We then have Essential Clinical Anatomy by Keith L. Moore and M.R. Auger and Arthur F. Daly. I also used Structure and Function of the Human Body by Mark Nilsson and Jamie Garbett. The last book I have is The Concise Book of Trigger Points by Simon Neil Asher. And then I used the app called Complete Anatomy. As you've seen from the videos, it's amazing. If you can afford it, I suggest it. It's such a useful tool when learning this stuff. So that's it. Have a good day.